children.
Hello, dear explorers in the town of artificial intelligence. Did you know that learning can fit you as perfectly as comfortable shoes? Today, I want to tell you how modern technology supports gaining knowledge, helps with difficult tasks, and makes lessons more interesting. I talk about clever tools that let everyone learn at their own pace. I invite everyone to join me on an adventure in the world of smart education. At Sensor Square, I met RoboBunny and Mecha Kitty. RoboBunny thought that artificial intelligence in education meant that the school would grow legs and come to the student's house, so they wouldn't have to get up from bed in the morning. Mecha Kitty believed it was a special pillow that sends knowledge from a book straight into your ear while you sleep, so you wake up a genius. Their ideas made me laugh, so I explained to them that it's not walking buildings or magical dreams, but programs that make it easier to understand difficult topics and practice new skills. By the light waterfall, I met RoboPuppy and NeuroMonkey. RoboPuppy shared that he used a program that noticed he was great at counting but made mistakes in writing, so it prepared special word games to help him catch up. NeuroMonkey mentioned that thanks to modern tools, she could talk to a friend from another country because an application instantly translated their words, teaching her new phrases at the same time. I confirmed that these were great examples. Artificial intelligence can adjust the difficulty level to the learner and break language barriers. In the algorithm maze, I met RoboSquirrel and HyperKangaroo. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about artificial intelligence in education. RoboSquirrel answered that it can describe out loud what is in pictures, helping blind people use textbooks. HyperKangaroo added that algorithms will help quickly search through thousands of books to find needed information and summarize it simply, saving time when doing projects. I praised them for knowing so much about how technology makes knowledge more accessible for everyone. Dear researchers, today we learned that artificial intelligence in education is a powerful support that helps us learn smarter, not harder. We understood that thanks to it, materials are more accessible, and programs can adjust to our needs and talents. I hope this knowledge will inspire everyone to use modern learning aids. I look forward to seeing everyone on more fascinating journeys through the town of artificial intelligence.